P R T. The R right here is a rate. It's a fraction, right? It will be less than 1. R will be less than 1 or less than 100%. 1 means 100%. It will be decimal. Okay? Or you can write down any way you want to do it. Okay, that's R. Less than 1. Okay? Can it be written that? You're crazy. Okay? All right? And then T is what? T is in years. Okay? Please highlight the word years. When you use formula, you have to make sure the unit. That's the most important thing. Otherwise, you won't know. So if we give you a guy 6 months, so what 6 months translate to year become, guys? 1/2, 1/2, right? Yes? If we give you guys 3 months, so what T gonna be? Huh? You always divide by year. Year is what? Year 12 months. So if we give you 3 months, what does that become? 1/4. Yes? So always in years. If we give you 6 months, what does that mean? 6/12. The bottom always 12 months. That become what? 1/2. So this is extremely important. Make sure you guys change the year to years for me. Yes? If we give it 2 years, you put it 2 years. Yes? Yeah? But if we say, you know what? 2 years and a half. What's that become? 2.5. Okay, guys? Yes? You have to change to a year for me. Okay? How about if I tell you, you know what? 4 months. What does that become? What does that become, guys? 4 months. What does that become in years? 4 over 12, what is that? 1/3. Get it? All right, let's stop here. Let me ask you guys this. All right, ready? I'll do it right here. Okay, guys. If I buy the hat $200, right, Emily? And then I have to pay, 10% interest or tax, whatever it is, right? Let's say 20% tax, 20% interest, okay? Yes? Of what? Of this, right? Yes? Yeah? So what do we got? So $40, right? Okay? Yes? So now look at this alone. Look at it alone. Just look at that. Look at that. Guys, please look here, okay, guys. Ready? This is interest, right? This right here, interest. Yes or no? How much interest I pay, guys? 20% is how much? $40, right? Yes? For 20% interest of that hat or whatever the mill. How much I pay, guys? $40. Right? So right now, ready? This right here, I. So look at it, I. Ready? All right. Tell me what $200 stand for. What $200 stand for? I give you a hint. P, R, or T? Which one? Original, right? P. Right? You put in $200 and they give you 20%. Yes? Right, guys? This one here is what? P. And then 20% is what, guys? The rate. Less than 1, right? R. That's where the formula come from, right? Yes? But then I told you guys, like, you know what? This is simple interest, so you only pay one time. So you time what? Time. This is where the formula come from, guys. Make sense now? Yes? Make sense? This right here, PR. PR. Well, they raised them already, so. We all been doing PR so far, right? 20% of what? 10% tax of what, right? Or 40% discount of what? PR, right? 40% discount of the hat, $5. This right here is P, this one is R. We always do PR so far, but now we're adding the T in with the time. Yes? Okay, because if you I let you borrow, let's for example, okay? If you pay me in 1 year, T come 1. Does that mean everything always the same, right? Right? So you pay me still $240. Correct? Yes? But what happens more than 1 year? I say, no, 1 year you have to pay me more. Right? Let's say you pay me 2 years. What does it become? 2. Then you pay double. Yes? So this formula worked. Or we've been doing the last 30 minutes. When T equal what? 1 year. That's where from PRT. Make sense now? You want to know how to do the right formula now? PRT? Yes? Okay, good. That's it. All right. Do this technique. So you guys don't have to worry anymore. Guys, interest, principal, rate, right? Yes, we talk about that, right? Time, yes? Okay? Now, how many unknown do we have here? How many, guys? Can you count? No, one right here. That's 4 unknown, right? Yes? So we know that's 4 unknown. For me to solve any question right now, I mean, not about the real life. Real life, you have to assume number, right? So if we have 4 unknown, they have to give me always 1 less. So in this case, we have 4. 1 less will be 3. They have to provide me 3 to find the 4 one. So example 1, do they give me P? Yes? What is the P? First one. No, what do they give me? P. It's a principal, $600. Do they give me R? Yeah. Do they give me T? Yes, so they give me all that. So you can find I, right? Okay, so now look. They may twist it. They may give you I. They may give you R. They may give you T. Can you find P? Right? So how to find P? You divide both sides by what? RT. RT. R cancelled out. T cancelled out. So P equal that. So please write out P equal IRT. I divide R over T. Okay? And then we do again another one. Okay? And then if you want to find T, what do? We divide both by PR. PR. They cancel out. So T equal what? T equal I over PR. Okay? Alright? Now, the last question, I want you guys help me to find R. So you guys figure out R your own. Okay? I teach you guys this. To find T, divide both by that, act it out. Okay, now, your job is to find R for me. Okay, this is formula 2, formula 3, formula 4. Do find R yourself. Let me know. I give you guys 1 minute. Go ahead. Now is, right? I forgot how much money I put in my principal, but I put into my Vanguard mutual fund. After 18 months, they give me $500, and they give me a good rate return, 10%. Okay, so I want to know how much money do I put in, 18 months before. Okay, so help me. I forgot the money. Okay, so do right now, guys. Go ahead. Good luck. Okay, who gets first? Go home.
Are you done? Oh, you're reading it?
Okay, guys, work with the formula. Look for P. No, this time look for P. So P is the money, no percent. So you don't multiply 100. So how much money I put in the beginning? 277. I put 277, and then I got $500.
What is 29 times 1?
My money is put in more than $500.
18 times 6?
Okay.
8, right?
I is equal to what?
9 times 1 is 9, right?
I'm gonna write it
18
down.
times 1 is 29 times
Anyone get it?
18 times 1.
Okay, good. Okay, so write out P equal. Okay. Write out T over, I over RT. Write down I over RT. I
Write down the formula for P. P is equal
over RT. Okay, equal. Okay, what's I? How much I? What's I?
to I.
What's I? Okay, what's I? Make sure I do this for me, okay? What's I? Put in I, 400, right? Yeah, put in 400. No, 500. Okay, what's R? 10%. What's that in decimal? That's good. What T? 18 months. What is that?
7. Right? So the origin
18 months. You need to change the year. You cannot put 18. Remember, it's in year. Right, you got it, Gong? You got it? How much money did you put in? How much did I put in? $663. Okay, so I put in 666. After 18 months, make $5. That's a lot of money. Okay, let's see. That maybe, I don't know. You get it?
I don't know. I think I got it wrong.
I think you got it right. 3,000 sound right. Yeah, 3,000 sound right. All right, what do you got, guys? Help me. I don't know yet. Guy, what do you got? Who will go on board and do it? Huh? 18 months. You have to change that. Okay, go on board, please. All right, Emily, go on board. All right, Patrick, what you got? Huh? What you got?
I don't know. I'm still kind of stuck on it.
What you got, Anna?
Still solving it.
You need to divide by what? All right, go ahead. Go on board, please.
Yeah, Mark.
Oh, it's right there. The moment you pay $1, you say no. Oh my God! I just teach you guys interest rate. What's for the bank? You guys save money so much. Okay. What's I? You don't need this. What's I, guys? What's I?
500.
Let's stop right here. 10%. What is that in decimal? 0.1. All right, guys. 18 months. How do we change that to 2 years? 18 over 12. Write out 18 over 12. Go. 18 over 12. All right. Here we go. Now do that.
Wait, but I put.
It's okay. Same thing. The 12 go there. The 12 go up here. The 12 divide up there. No, that's good. 500 times 12. When you divide by 12, the 12 goes up, right? Over 18 times 0.1. Times 0.1. All right, here we go, guys. Let's cancel it. So this right here, you can cancel it, right? Good. Okay. And then, what do you do next, guys? All right, so 2 times 500 is what? 1,000, right? Okay, right now 1,000. Divide 0.3. All right, guys, someone have that calculate, let me know. Look like 3,000 something, right?
3,330.
So you're right. 3,333. So I put in this amount up to 18 months. This how much I make. Make sense? Yes? All right, good job. That's it, guys. That's it. The next question is this. I put in 10,000 into my mutual fund investment. Okay? And then they give me 10% interest return. And then after a certain time, they give me 1,800. So how long does it take me to get that? How long does it take for me to make 10,000 investment to give me $1,800 return, guys? Good luck. Okay, here we go. Okay, so divide both sides by PR.
Okay.
Okay? All right, so T equal what? I over PR. I is what? 1,800. P is 10,000. And divide R is 10%. Okay? So 10%, that means this become 100. So boom, 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 boom. And then this right here, with that, canceled out. So 18 divided 10 is 1.8. All right, I confirm 1.8 is right. Then 1.8 years. All right, guys, how do we change the date? Okay, ready? Please watch. Always zigzag. A Z. Okay? Top, bottom, top, bottom. So right here, guys, the month should be here or the month should be here? The month at bottom, right? Because it's zigzag, right? See that? They go like that. Okay, the month stay here. The day stay here. The month canceled out. Done. So years cancel, month cancel, you have day. So you put in 1 month is what? It's 30 days. Okay, so 1.8 times 12 times 30. What's that become? Someone give me the answer, guys. 1.8 times 12 times 30. What's that? Give me the answer. 1.8 years in minute. Okay? All right, good luck, guys. This information to give you guys right here, guys. Okay? 1 day is 24 hours. Okay? 1 hour, you guys know how many minutes? 60 minutes. Easy. I give you everything already. Too easy.